Hello everyone, how are you? Today I am going to show you how to do a hard reset on your Samsung A14 in case you forgot the screen pattern, right? You can't unlock it. We will be teaching you the step by step, okay? So I'm going to show you here. This method here will work on your A14 and we are going to do it using the buttons, all right? I will teach two procedures. Follow the step by step. Watch the video if necessary. Watch it again so you don't make a mistake. Remove the chip memory card because this procedure erases everything on your device. You will hold the volume down button and the power button. As soon as the screen goes off, you release the minus and hold the volume up button. I release the minus, holding the plus. Samsung appeared. I take my finger off the power button and wait here. If your model vibrates at this part, don't panic, okay? Let's wait here. This procedure works for various Samsung models. Comment below which model you managed to do it with. In my case, this A14 here, we will need a USB cable connected to the notebook or even to your sound system, which has a USB port on your TV. Try it, put it in the comments to help others who are having this difficulty, okay? So I am going to connect here. It is not necessary to install any app, nothing, okay? I am going to check here if, look, it is connected. See that? We will hold the volume down button and the power button the same way we did before, okay? So just reminding you, if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell so you receive notifications of the new videos we make during the week. Volume down button and power. A watt, when it turns off, I take my finger off here. See, take the finger off the minus and hold the plus button, and now Samsung appeared. I take my finger off the power. I keep holding only the plus button with it still connected. Okay, look, this screen has already appeared. I can disconnect here and go to the fifth option, wipe data factory reset. We are on the first, second, third, fourth, fifth option with the volume down button. And now we are going to press the power to confirm. With the volume down button, I go to the second option. Some here are in English, but just go to the second option and I press the power to confirm. In this option here, it's just reboot system now. I don't know if you can see it there. Let's press OK here. And now our device will turn on with the functions, right? With the original factory settings. If you like the video, we helped you in some way, and you would like to contribute to what we are providing for you, I will leave the pics in the description. If you want to make a pics of any amount, it will be very welcome, and I thank you immensely for staying until the end of the video, alright? So that was the video. Thanks, see you next time.